Welcome to Bodysculpt, your ultimate guide to fitness and strength training. In today's video, we're diving into the world of strength training for bodyweight exercises. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, this form of training can be a game changer for building muscle and increasing your overall strength. So, let's get started. Bodyweight exercises utilize the resistance of your own body to build strength and muscle. No fancy equipment or weights are needed. Instead, you'll be using movements that engage multiple muscle groups, promoting functional strength and enhancing your body's natural abilities. There are several fundamental bodyweight exercises that form the foundation of this training style. Let's take a look at a few of them. This classic exercise targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Start in a plank position. Lower your body towards the ground, and push back up. Squats are fantastic for strengthening your lower body. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, lower your hips back and down as if sitting in a chair, and then rise back up. Lunges are great for working your legs and glutes. Step forward with one leg, lower your body until both knees are at a 90-degree angle, then push back up and switch legs. Planks are excellent for building core strength. Begin in a push-up position, then lower your forearms to the ground. Keep your body straight and hold the position for a set amount of time. The beauty of strength training with bodyweight exercises is the versatility it offers. You can progress or regress the difficulty of each exercise based on your fitness level. As you become stronger, you can add variations such as one-arm push-ups, pistol squats, or plank variations like side planks or elevated planks. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to perform bodyweight exercises at least 2 to 3 times a week. Gradually increase the number of repetitions or sets as you get stronger. And don't forget to incorporate rest days to allow your muscles to recover and grow. Lastly, don't neglect stretching and mobility exercises. They help improve your flexibility and prevent injuries, ensuring you can continue enjoying your fitness journey. So there you have it, strength training for bodyweight exercises explained. Whether you're at home, outdoors, or in a gym, these exercises provide a convenient and effective way to sculpt your body and increase your strength. Remember, always listen to your body, stay consistent, and enjoy the process. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Bodysculpt video. Stay strong.